With every release, voice AI models are getting sharper, smarter, and creepily accurate. But here's the problem. People hate AI voices they can recognize. They sound flat, robotic, and fake. What if you could create a unique AI voice that actually sounds like you? That it will fool even your best friend. Having your unique AI voice can help you overcome that challenge and stay ahead of the game. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real, and I'm about to show you how.
Aye, lad, there's magic in these old bones.
Elevenlabs AI can take a few audio samples and create your digital voice clone. But here's the thing, it's not just for fun. You could use it for professional voiceovers, storytelling, or even doing voiceovers in other languages. Sounds easy, right? But there's a catch. If you miss one key step, your clone might sound, let's just say, robotic. Stick with me and I'll show you how to get it right the first time. My results? Let's just say they blew my mind. Here's how it works. First, open the link in the description and create an account on Elevenlabs. It's quick and easy. But most people trip up with the audio samples. They can't just be random voice clips. They need to be clear, well recorded, and show variety. I'll explain how you can get them quickly without recording for hours. Let's get started. Signing up is free. You get 10,000 credits for free. But to enable the voice cloning feature, you'll need to subscribe to at least the starter plan. And for professional voice cloning, you will need the creator plan. Don't worry, I'll help you decide if it's worth it. Once you are in, head straight to the voice menu and click on add a new voice. Elevenlabs has two cloning choices, instant and professional. We want the best quality, so we'll use professional. Once you upload the samples, Elevenlabs AI does the rest. Before recording anything, here's a tip. Use a decent mic. Even your phone can work as long as you are in a quiet room. The key is no background noise and clear sound. Let's talk about the samples. Now comes the exciting part. You need to upload audio clips of your voice. More good audio means better results. To make sure we have varied sounds, I asked ChatGPT to write 50 sentences for my niche artificial intelligence. These sentences cover many sounds and words, perfect for training. I recorded them all and it took only a few minutes. I'll share the prompt in the comment section so you can generate sentences for your domain. Processing can take few minutes to an hour and you'll get an email notification once it's ready. And voila, you have got your voice clone. Before we test the voice, let me share a quick pro tip to get the most realistic results. Elevenlabs lets you adjust stability and similarity settings. Here's what works best. Set stability to 30% for natural variations and similarity to 100% for accuracy. This combination ensures your clone sounds lifelike and authentic. Got it? Now let's test it out. Alright, moment of truth. Let's do the first test. Let's hear how it sounds. Hey, this is the Oracle guy. If you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. Whoa, that's eerily accurate. It even picked up my natural pauses. Let's go with something funny. Honestly, I spend more time talking to AI than real people, and it shows. Let's repeat the first test in Chinese. 这是神谕者。如果您喜欢这个，请点击订阅按钮。这一种答。Not bad, it's not perfect, but for something generated in minutes, pretty incredible. Here's my take. Elevenlabs is super easy to use and the results are impressive. It's not flawless, but for most users, it gets the job done. Oh, and remember the intro? That was my AI voice clone speaking. Could you tell? Let me know in the comment section. And this is just the beginning. Imagine using this for podcasts, audiobooks, or even creating a backup for your voice to make it immortal. Now here's where it gets exciting. Monetization. Elevenlabs has a payout feature that lets you earn money by licensing your voice for various projects. Here's how you set it up. Go to the payouts menu and click on create payout account. Complete the Stripe account setup. It's quick, about 5 minutes. Head over to the voices menu, locate your voice and click on the view button. Scroll down to the voice sharing button and enable sharing. Toggle on discovery in voice library. enable financial awards, remember you can't set your custom rate for 90 days. Until then, the default is $0.011 per 1000 characters. Add a catchy custom voice preview and make sure your voice name follows the guidelines. Finally, label your voice correctly, accent, gender, age, etc. and click share to voice library. Top voices reportedly earn up to $4,000 per month. Even if you're not aiming for that, I found multiple Reddit users claiming they make $100 to $500 monthly just sharing their voices. That's passive income, folks. In my upcoming videos, I'll show you how to fine tune your clone for even better results, and we'll explore more use cases.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you would get, but you're not, cause you just bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.